purpose of this video is to help save lives. So you will learn in less than 2 minutes how to make your own face mask during this COVID-19 pandemic. And it will be real helpful if you have children and you don't have enough face masks. And also you can have them make these masks under your supervision, and it'll give them something to do while they're in the house practicing their physical distancing. So here we go. You need only a few items. You need a pad. You can buy all of these items from your local drugstore. A mesh cloth, some duct tape, and 2 rubber bands. Okay, you cut the mesh and the pad 7 inches wide by 4 inches long. And then you take the 2 strips of duct tape, which is 7 inches long, and you cover up the front and the back of the pad and put the mesh inside. And then you do the sides with a small 4-inch piece of duct tape. Then you put your rubber bands on with 2 small pieces of duct tape, and you tape them down. And voila, there you have your protective mask. Thanks for watching this video. Please share with others. It may save a life or several lives. And a humorous note, duct tape is the greatest thing since sliced bread. Ooh.